Before we start computing anything, I want to break this question down a little bit and think about what it's asking. We're trying to find the area that will not be watered, and when we look at this, it means all of this space in here. So my plan basically is to find half the area of that larger circle, and then I'm going to take out of that the area that is watered, which is this and this. So those two little red half circles, when I put them together, would actually give me a smaller circle in its entirety. So that's going to be my plan. I'm going to find half of the area of a large circle and then subtract out the smaller circle. So in order to find area of a circle, I need the radius. So with the big circle, that's the one here that we're doing the half of, the radius equals 10. It's already marked on my picture. But I do need to remind myself that I only need half of that area. So I'm ready now. I'm looking for the area. I'll leave the 1/2. I'm leaving it in terms of pi, so that just will remain there. And my radius is 10, and I'll be squaring that. I can clean this up a little bit. There's 1/2 times pi. 10 squared, 10 times 10 is 100, and I can multiply the 1/2 by the 100, and that gives me 50 pi feet squared. So that would be if I were watering this entire lawn. Now what I need to do is subtract out the area of these two half circles when they're put together. So area equals pi r squared. I'm going to try to be efficient. I'm not going to find the area of the half circle, area of the half circle. I'm just going to treat it as one circle. I do need to pay attention though. Again, we're still looking for radius, and if I put the circles together right now, the 10, which was the radius for the larger circle, is actually the diameter for the smaller circle. So it's important to pay attention to those things. My radius then, for the smaller circles, my radius is actually 5. Now I can substitute in my information. I'm looking for area, that remains as a variable. I'm leaving it in terms of pi, and I'm putting in 5 and squaring it for the radius. So 5 times 5 is 25 pi square feet. To answer the question then, just like I planned to do, I'm going to take the 50 pi square feet and subtract the 25 pi square feet, and that will give me 25 pi square feet of lawn that is not getting watered the way that they've set up the sprinklers.